What will calm me down? Can be a short walk. Sometimes it meant closing the books earlier, getting an hour extra sleep. I wish our kids would sleep more, and I wish our parents would get those phones out of their rooms and put them on the charger in the kitchen at 9 o'clock and send them to bed. Right, we'll talk about that. But there's no need for guilt anymore. We are not going to play this, I'm calling it the devil's game of guilt and shame and fear. That's what he feeds on. I'm sure of it. Whether you are in agreement with me or not, it feels to me like there's an evil, evil, evil part of the world of studying that's putting everybody off it. And it's because it's based on the fear and the guilt and the shame. There's low energy. We have to raise our kids' energy up. We have to lift them up and say, come, let's get excited about learning again. Learning is beautiful. That's my motto. Learning is beautiful.